This 2019 Entegra Coach Cornerstone 45B is a diesel pusher RV. It is located in Newfield, New Jersey, 08344 and is offered for sale by Crossroads Trailer Sales, Inc. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Entegra coach is 44 feet 1 inch in length and features Oxford interior, sleeps 4, stovetop burner, TV, carbon monoxide detector, air conditioning, microwave, slide-out, smoke detector, TV antenna, refrigerator, DVD player, and 100 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this diesel pusher features bath and a half, front dinette, front entertainment, full wall slide, mid-bath, mid-kitchen, mid-living area, rear bath, rear bedroom. This 2019 Entegra Coach Cornerstone 45B is built on a Spartan K3 chassis and is powered by a Cummins engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.